Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. So I am super excited about this video. In this video, I will be upcycling a pair of denim pants and turning it into denim skirt. And I'm really excited for a few reasons. One, several of you have been asking after you saw my last tutorial video and you saw the awesome jean skirt that I had on, and I told you that I made it. So two, this is probably the easiest upcycle I've ever done. It took me about 15 minutes to do each one. I did two, I recorded the second one. And three, it is so hard to get a good denim skirt, but it's so easy to get a good pair of jeans. So here's how you can take those wonderful jeans and transform them into skirts. And actually there is a number 4. The fourth reason I'm super excited about this tutorial is that when you take a pair of jeans that is a little bit too tight and you turn it to a skirt, you can actually fit the skirt a little bit better than the jeans. Fact. I tried it out. If you like what you see on my channel, don't forget to press like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you know somebody who is going to appreciate being able to turn those pants into a skirt, don't forget to share this with them. All right, enjoy the tutorial. All right, so here's the pants I've had for a very long time, and I'm going to go ahead and change it into a skirt because I want a new and different look. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is fold it in half, so that you can make sure everything is symmetric. So I decided I want my skirt to be 19 inches long, but I'm going to make this a little bit longer just in case I decide to hem it, or just in case I want to make it a little bit longer after I try it on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut at 20 inches. Alright, so now that we've cut the legs off of our jeans, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the inside seam off. I'm going to cut as close as possible to the seam so we have as much fabric to work from as possible. Alright, so I've removed the seam that was the inside of the pants legs and I've turned it inside out, and now we can go ahead and turn it on its side. So here we have the front where the button and the zipper is. And here is the back where our tag is. And now I'm just going to go ahead and use a pin to mark out the shape that I want this skirt to take. So of course, for a skirt, you probably, for most people, would want the front to come straight down or a little bit of a curve here. And in the back, again, for most people, you're going to want to curve out as much as possible, so that you can allow for your shape to fit into the skirt. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it straight down on the front, and with a curve at the back, I'm going to try it on, and if it works, then I'm going to sew it. So I turned it around so you could take a better look. Notice the front is going pinned straight down, the back is pinned at a curve to allow for your body to fit in. You want to make sure you're giving as much space as possible, especially if the pants was tight. You want to really use all the fabric that you can. All right, so I'm going to start from the bottom so that when I get up to the top of the skirt, I am going to transition to the seam that already exists. I don't want a sharp cutoff of what I'm sewing versus what's already there.